Every culture in the world has its own special celebrations and festivals. These events bring people together, strengthen traditions, and give everyone a reason to celebrate. Some celebrations are religious, others are cultural, and some are simply a time to have fun with family and friends. Christmas is one of the most widely celebrated holidays in the world. It is celebrated on the 25th of December and is a Christian holiday that commemorates the birth of Jesus Christ. Today, Christmas is also celebrated by many non-religious people as a time to exchange gifts, decorate their homes, and spend time with family. In many countries, children believe that Santa Claus brings them presents on Christmas Eve. Thanksgiving is a very popular celebration in the United States. It is celebrated on the fourth Thursday of November. Families gather together to share a big meal, traditionally including turkey, potatoes, and pumpkin pie. The holiday originally celebrated the harvest and the help that Native Americans gave to the first European settlers. Diwali is one of the most important festivals in India. It is known as the Festival of Lights because people decorate their homes with thousands of small oil lamps called diyas. Diwali celebrates the victory of light over darkness and good over evil. Families share sweets and exchange gifts during this beautiful festival. Whatever your culture or religion, celebrations are an important part of human life. They remind us of our traditions and bring us closer together.